we can add, edit, and remove options in the graph inspector. Each option we add will create an additional output flow for the node. This switch node has a default into one of the multiple flow branches. A select node, in contrast, maps such values into other data values. Instead of executing different flow branches, it will determine the output value based on the input on and off values provided. When the toggle is turned off, when we use the onUpdate event node as our starting point, the flow will execute each and every frame. We can use the once node to limit the portion of the flow to run only one time, ignoring subsequent executions of the script. Using the after output, we can differentiate between the first and subsequent actions. Last, we can use the reset input flow to return the once flow. The last node is sequence. It will branch out the execution to multiple flows and perform them in order. It can first branch in the sequence, can be interrupted and stop performing based on an if node. We can add another branch that will perform whether or not the first branch is executed entirely. In short, variables are containers that store information and values. A variable has a name, a type, and a value. The value inside the variable can change throughout the game.